Hi everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to enable Salesforce Flow support in the Connector Builder extension in Visual Studio Code. First, go to the Visual Studio Code Marketplace and install the Connector Builder extension. I have included the link in the description for easy access. Once installed, you can see the Connector Builder extension here in the Extensions panel in VS Code. Now, let's try creating a new connector. As I scroll down, you will notice that the Salesforce Flow option is currently disabled. This is because the feature is controlled by a hidden configuration flag. To enable this feature, we need to create a configuration file in the home directory called mfuc tooling config.properties. Inside this file, add the following property, which is equal to true. This will enable Salesforce Flow support. After saving the file, close and reopen Visual Studio Code so the changes take effect. Now, when I create a new connector again and scroll down, you can see that the Salesforce Flow option is now enabled. Now that we have enabled the feature, let's take a quick look at all the available configuration options that you can use it in the property file. This properties file allows you to control multiple hidden features, such as enabling flow support, configuring mitigations, using the try it feature, and managing tooling updates or project scaffolding options. By default, Salesforce Flow support is disabled, which is why we had to explicitly enable it earlier by setting the value to true. Also, once the flow is enabled, related features like mitigations and try it features will automatically work without requiring additional configuration. Now that we have successfully enabled Salesforce Flow support, the Connector Builder is fully ready to use with these features. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to create connector using this setup and explore the Salesforce Flow capabilities in detail. Thanks for watching.